Good morning to one and all. Today we are discussing Module 5, Session 3, that is shorting topic. The shorting means to arranging the data in a particular format, and shorting algorithms specify the way to arrange data in a particular order. Most common are numerical or lexicographical order. Shorting is also used to represent the data in more readable formats. Coming to the example of real life in a shorting, directory. Telephone directory keeps the telephone numbers of people shorted on their names, so that names can be searched. And secondly, dictionary. A dictionary keeps the words in alphabetical order so that searching of any words become very easy. Coming to the types of shorting, so first one is the insertion short. So this is a place comparison based of shorting algorithm. Here a sublist is always shorted. For example, the lower part of an array is maintained to be shorted. The array is searched. Sequentially, and unshorted items are moved and inserted into sorted sublist. So this is the basic things. We have so many colors here, around 5 to 6 colors. So in that total number of colors, we have to representation the numbers. So 14 is the represented to same thing at the red color also. So here is the loss shorting data. So the overcome of insertion short drawbacks by using the radix short. That is, radix is the base of number system or algorithm. Radix short is a multiple pass distribution short. It distributes the each item to a bucket according to the part of item scheme. So after each pass, items are collected from the buckets, keeping the items in order, then redistributed according to the next most significant part of the key. This short key is digit by digit, hence the referred to as a digital short, or if the keys are strings that we want to short alphabetically, it short character by character. So here is the two things is available, alphabetical and character by character. And second thing is radix short uses the bucket or cone short as the stable shorting algorithm, where the initially relative order of equal keys is unchanged. Coming to the types of radix short, we have two types: least significant radix short and most significant radix short. So LSD means least significant radix short is processing start from the least significant digit to moves towards the most significant digit. And secondly, most significant digit radix short. So processing starts from the most significant digit to moves towards the least significant digit. Means higher to lower order. This is the recursive. It works in the following way. So first thing is the example of LSD radix. So we have a number of sets, that is the 10 sets, number of numbers. So in that bucket is the 0 to 9. Oh, yeah, so we have a 15 integers. So we have to shorting the each integer, each 15 integers in a sequence manner. So first step we have to go for the 0 to 9 LSD buckets. So according to, we have to first step we have to see the list what are there. Next we have to go for the we collect the keeping their relative orders. So means nearby orders we have to keeping there. And now we distributed by the next most significant digit, which is the highest digit in our example, and we get the following. So 0 to 9 buckets we have to go for the ordering. So when we collect them, they are in order. So now we are going to see the order of the system. So this is the uh, uh, This is the radix sorting algorithm function. So we are counted the up to 50 bucket. Then here number of buckets is the 10 and sorted by the 50. So like that we have to go for the output of the program. So this is the thing. So now we want to go for the third sorting algorithm technique, that is called as a address calculation sort. So this can be one of the fastest type of distributive sorting technique if enough space is available, also called as a hashing. So here is the one more thing is a hash function is used to apply to each element in the list. The result of hash function is placed into the address in the table that represents the key. Linked lists are used as a address table of storing keys. If there are four keys, then four linked lists are used. Then hash function is places the elements in the linked list are called as a subfiles. An item is placed into a subfiles in the correct sequence by using any sorting method. After all the elements are placed into a subfiles, the list are the concatenated to produce the shorted listed. So procedure of address calculation short. In this method, a hash function is applied to each key. The result of this function is determined into which of the several subfiles that records is placed. The function should have a property that if x greater than or equals to y is f of x greater than or equals to f5. Such function is called as a order preserving function. An item is placed into subfiles in correct sequence by the using any sorting method. Simple insertion is often used. After all the elements are placed into subfiles, the list or the contented produce the shorter list. Coming to the example of address calculation shorter list, we have a 25 to 35 10 subfiles we have. So we have to address the each key. So we have 0 to 9 keys we have. So here is the representation of the keys address. The number is the password hash function which returns its last digit, which is placed at the position only in the linked list. So here is the how many linked list we have. See here is the 25. F of gives the 2 key. At the same time 57 gives the 5. At the same time here is the 3 key have a 33 and 37 address lines. So it gives f of 3 and f of 37 same keys. So which is the repeated. So now after concatenating all linked list, we get the shorter list. So that is the we got the entire shorter list. So we want to calculate the efficiency of the address calculation short. If all the elements is the n, unfortunately uniformly distributed over m subfile, then n by m is the approximately 1. Time of the short is the near O of n. On the other hand, if maximum elements are accommodated in one or two subfiles, then n by m is the much larger significant works is required to insert the elements into proper subfile at its proper position and efficiency of n of square. That is the efficiency of the address calculation short. This is the about of shortening and types of shortening we are studied here. That is the insertion sort and radix and address calculation sort. So with the help of example we discussed here. Next class we are going to discuss with the searching. Thank you.